I'm Brittany. You've probably seen me before. This is my friend Dean.
Hello, everybody.
Hey, we're with Frontier Basement Systems. So today, you're used to our normal little tips and tricks and things for the homeowner, but today we're going to talk a little bit about we need team members, people to help us out.
Brittany, I'm so excited. 2017 was a record year.
Yes.
March 2018 was a record month. We just keep getting busier and busier, but we need more great people.
We do. We've got tons of different positions, so from office to out in the field, and we're just looking for people that want to be a part of our team and be a part of our culture, excited to come to work, because we love what we do. Obviously, we're passionate about it.
Oh, we have fun. Potlucks once a month, free coffee.
Free coffee. What else?
Employee appreciation events all throughout the year, and really it's our culture, redefining our industry, that I'm the most proud of.
Wonderful. Yeah, so we're also part of a dealer network, so that's really exciting for us because that just means it's a worldwide network, so we've got tons of other resources for training and products, and we can reach out to friends, get a little help, and they make us even better at what we do, so we're always growing and learning.
Absolutely. So anybody with questions that's looking for a long-term career, I want you to call me on my cell phone, 615-202-2186. I'll answer any questions that you have, and we'd love to invite you into our family.
Perfect. Or one too much H2O. Thanks. Y'all have a great day.